Hello guys, welcome back another video my dear friends. This is a, you can say, one more scam is in the market, like $700 traders joy gift card. This is an scam, so be very careful. Don't fill out the details and don't click on any links. These are all scams. Please stay away these kind of scams, and these are all scammy tricks, and the scammers may steal your financial and your personal informations. So please don't be fool and don't be enter any details in these kind of scams. And these are all, you can say, as you know, Trader's Choice is a very popular brand, so you don't need to be fool. And these kind of, you can say, these are all unofficial websites. As you can see, these are on all unofficial website. They can steal your data and they can steal your money from your bank and all. So be very careful, okay friends. So if you are watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye.